All right, what's going on, Molly Garages? I don't know how much, and YouTubers alike, I don't know how much memory I got on my computer, but just have to say, I was looking up the KS0 Ultra. I just got my confirmation. My KS0
Hey, what's up,
Ultra
guys? My name is Boda, and welcome.
will be here today. Hopefully, today or tomorrow. I don't know. That's what they said. Yesterday, it said it was shipped over here to the United States. I'm like, I looked up, Voscoin them didn't have it. All right, but look. Scratch that. We're not even talking about the KS0 Ultra. We'll talk about that later. We're talking about this Okinos micro ATX tower, right? This was Xavier's computer that we built. We threw a 2060 on it. We threw him some of that Kevlar RAM, but his PC kept shorting out, right? Power supply just would not ramp up. It was that Chinese power supply I bought last year or 2 years ago. I'm doing a whole new build. This 2060, this Intel Core i5. I think it was a 3600 or 5600 i5 or something like that. I don't think it was a 7. No, it might be the 7800F. But anyways, it's 9th gen. This is old. We couldn't even use the whole 16 gigs because this motherboard wouldn't let us split, run dual channel RAM, and that's how RAM likes to run. So we're scratching that. So today, what's coming in besides the Ice River KS0 Ultra, we have a AMD, not an FX like my school computer, but this is going to be an AMD. It's the 5600 or the 5500. I think it's the 5500. We'll see which one comes. It was the $80 one that was on Amazon, and it's gonna have 6 cores, 12 threads. That's gonna be good. So power wise for the GPU, I might be going 4060, but I don't know. I think the 3060 Ti beats that out, and my mining rig that's in his room now has a 3060 on it. So I might end up just ordering him a new 3060 Ti. I was looking at 3060 or 4060. I don't know. If I have enough money, I can order a 4070, but that's going to be later, maybe next month. I'll get him a 4070 because we're going to build this into a future-proof gaming rig. What I mean by that is the motherboard is going to be a ATX micro ATX motherboard. I'm thinking I'm getting the Strix motherboard or maybe a Steel Legend motherboard. Leaning more towards the Strix motherboard because it has more IOs and the CPU pattern is AM5, so it's DDR5 RAM. DDR5 RAM right now, they don't really have it at a cheap price where you can run dual sticks, so we're just probably going to get a single 32 gig RAM stick, throw that in there, or 16 just to start out. I am going to go to Micro Center and get some more of these Corsair fans because I just found out that the motherboard and plus the micro or the mini ITX motherboard is smaller than a micro ATX motherboard. So I'm going to see if that'll fit, but it says micro ATX and it says ITX. So I don't think that a micro, because a micro ITX would be like this size of this hole right here. And there is like a little plate here, but it didn't come with the plate. So we might just going to go micro ATX or ITX. ITX is smaller than micro ATX. Anyway, so going to go up and get some more of these Corsair fans, or we might going to run Noctua fans. And then for its RGB lighting, we'll buy some Corsair fans because this motherboard or this case comes with a UI, a lighting UI for your RGB already installed, which is badass. The wiring management ain't all that good, but and then the fans that come with it, they're all set up as exhaust. So what you would do is you would have your motherboard sitting here and your graphics card sitting here because this front panel's glass and it's set up for negative pressure. If you just run these 3 fans, it's negative pressure setup. But you have all this vent here in the back. Power supply would go back here. You have all this vent, and I was thinking about throwing fans inside, right? But I was like, I don't have to throw fans inside because there's mounting here for 2 fans to go here and here, and that's still enough room. That big old chunky 2060 fit. And I know my 3060 is skinnier. 3060 is like the size of a 1660. So I know that'll fit with the 2 fans. And then for the CPU, we might be able to ditch these and have enough room to run a radiator and run liquid cooling on the processor. So that'll be cool too. So this coming up for his birthday build. Processor's coming. I'm about to sell some more crypto. We're about to order a badass motherboard. And then it's even got a hard drive tray down here in the back. Let's take a look at the back. It's got a nice hard drive tray. We might end up moving that hard drive tray and then just rocking his hard drives like back by the power supply. I don't know. Clean it up. We'll see. We'll find out what he wants to do. But we're gonna build this for his birthday. Let's go ahead and get the panels on so I can show you what it looks like. All right, that is a beauty case right there. It's small, got a lot of airflow. I mean, they say it's not that good at airflow, but you add those other fans in there, you're gonna be cooking. You know what I'm saying? Well, not cooking, not burning, but tempered glass all the way around. This front panel does come off. I didn't know how to take it off. I'll have to read the directions a little bit better, look at the directions a little bit better. But this front panel will come off for easier putting in the motherboard. Way easier if you were to take that off. But this is a nice size. It will look beautiful. It comes in black or white. It will look beautiful in the front room, a bedroom, on a desk. That's a nice case, and I think I might buy more of these and just do some PC builds and just sell them. You know, like $500, $700 PC build. You know what I'm saying? Because the motherboards and stuff that I want to use more modern stuff, newer stuff, so that way down the road in the future the computer will be upgradable. I don't want to use last gen stuff and then the PC would be outdated as soon as you got it built. You know what I'm saying? So on this vlog, that's gonna be about it. I was gonna rant about Caspa, but Caspa's at 15 cents right now from the last time that I had looked. I think it was yesterday I looked. I haven't really been looking at Caspa. Been trying not to sell my Caspa, but I got to get some PC parts, and I don't know how much taxes and dues are. When I went to DHL today, because it said it was out for delivery, I'm like, whoa. She said she'll hold it. You know what I'm saying? Because I work afternoons. I don't want it sitting on the porch. I don't know how much taxes and dues are gonna be. I think it's Michigan is 0.25, so it'd be like $100 and something dollars on a $400 purchase. So I'm looking at like $100 to $200. You know what I'm saying? So like $600, just like buying it from Crypto Miner Bros. That's what I'm thinking for the KS0 Ultra. So yeah, that's that. And this PC, this old PC, I'm just gonna hang this up on the wall as decoration, or I might end up just using it, buying a new power supply for this, and using it for just CPU mining. You know what I'm saying? Maybe throw it on Salad, but it don't have a graphics card, and it don't have enough RAM to even like get jobs on Salad. You know what I'm saying? So the best thing that it could do is mine just CPU mine on it. Maximilian over here, he's whining. Got to get ready to go take him outside. And I hope you guys have a blessed day today. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Flow like water, you guys. Peace out.